Phone repairs and accessories store, Casino, New South Wales. Sit back and enjoy a good passive income, or run this business yourself and grow the profits. Offering phone repairs and accessories, this business is ripe for expansion or franchising. The sole mobile phone repairer for the Casino catchment area, iFix attracts a steady volume of customers year-round. The business boasts a street-front CBD store in a prime location with lots of foot traffic. Overheads are low, and the landlord is willing to negotiate a 3, 6 or 12-month lease. Yielding $85,000 gross profit in 2019-20, the modern premises includes a staff bathroom, kitchenette, and plenty of storage. The knowledgeable staff are willing to stay on, and the current owner works roughly 8 hours a month in the business. This excellent business has thrived in 2020, despite COVID, with the owner only spending $280 on advertising. Imagine what you could do by boosting advertising budget, expanding product lines and services, or franchising this successful model.